Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. Yes, so let's start our video today. In this video, as you know, I am giving you various information. So correctly in this video also, I will give you some very important information, and I'm sure that will be very much useful to you and you will be getting benefit out of it. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about Symbiosis Statistical Institute Pune admission for 2021. Applications are out. If you want to check the eligibility process, fees, Symbiosis Statistical Institute Pune, and other details, you can check out this video. They are conducting this examination under the SIU. It was established with the aim to train the students to translate and apply statistical knowledge to solve real world problems in various interdisciplinary domains. It offers PG courses, that is postgraduate courses such as MSc in Applied Statistics and PhD. The institute has well-built conference rooms, gym, classrooms, library, hostels, computer labs, food courts, and sports infrastructure, whatever you need. It also provides education loans to economically weak students. The institute has a collaboration with HDFC Credila to provide such facilities of loan and other things. The Symbiosis Statistical Institute, which is the SSI Pune, highlights it is recognized by UGC, approved also by UGC, also approved by NAAC accreditation, which is the grade A. The institute type is Constituent Accepted Examination is PET. Affiliation is Symbiosis International deemed to be university, which is the SIQ. The number of courses offered are 2 courses, and the total seats offered is 45 plus if there are some problems. Official website is ssi.edu.in. Gender intake is co-ed, application mode is online. Symbiosis Statistical Institute SSI Pune admission. Talking about this, for admission to Symbiosis Statistical Institute, which is the SSI Pune, applicants are required to visit the official website of the institute and fill the online application form. Admissions to MSc is on the basis of merit, followed by the writing aptitude test, technical and academic, that is the WAT, and the personal interaction, which is the PI. For admission to PhD, it is important that candidates appear for PhD entrance test, which is the PET or PET examination. Symbiosis Statistical Institute SSI Pune courses, talking about this, the institute offers the courses that is MSc in biostatistics and data analysis. Also in data science, industrial statistics and operations research course is also offered here. So next, talking about the other details, that is the eligibility criteria. As you know, this is a very coveted institution. So the eligibility criteria for graduation is minimum 50% aggregate and 45% aggregate for candidates belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category. Course fee for this is 3.96 lakhs. For PhD, the courses offered are statistics, and for this, the eligibility criteria for this is also different. That is qualifying examination. You have to qualify the examination of PET, that is the PET. You need to have a master's with minimum 55% aggregate and 50% for scheduled caste or scheduled categories. Course fee for these students are 70,000. Symbiosis Statistical Institute SSI Pune scholarships, talking about this, yes, to encourage meritorious students and academic excellence. Few scholarships are offered by this Symbiosis Society Foundation, and those scholarships are firstly PG Merit Scholarship, which is 50% relaxation in academic fee for semester topper who scored a minimum GPA of 7.50. University Sports Scholarship, that is the 5 sports scholarship of rupees 24,000 each, is awarded to outstanding sportsmen of SIU. NHFDC scholarship for students with disabilities. So these are the scholarships which are offered by SSI, Symbiosis Statistical Institute. Now I'll give you the SSI Pune admission highlights of 2021. SSI Pune admissions are conducted online through the official website of this institute. Candidates are required to register and fill an application form for the complete admission process. MSc admission starts in the month of January. Admission to MSc programs is completely based on merit, which is merit-based. PhD admission begins in the month of November or May. PhD admissions are based on PhD entrance examination, which is the PET, conducted by SIU. SSI Pune MSc admission 2021. Talking about this, at the PG level, the institute offers a 2-year MSc program consisting of 4 semesters. The seat of intake of MSc program is a maximum of 45 students. The students will undergo an internship for 2 months after completion of the first semester. Selection and eligibility criteria for the same are given in this video, so please follow that. Selection criteria: candidates will be shortlisted based on the scores obtained in the bachelor's degree and the performance in the written ability test, which is the WAT, and personal interview, which is the PI. MSc in Applied Statistics specialization, Biostatistics and Data Analytics, BSc in Statistics or Mathematics or Actuarial Science, or BE in Mathematics or Statistics from a recognized university with an aggregate of 50% or 45% for scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category candidates. For data sciences, BSc in Statistics or Mathematics or Actuarial Science, or BE in Mathematics or Statistics from a recognized university with an aggregate of 50% or 45% for scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category candidates. Industrial Statistics and Operations Research, a BSc in Statistics or Mathematics or Actuarial Science, or BE in Mathematics or Statistics from a recognized university is required with an aggregate of 50%, again 45% for scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category candidates. SSI Pune PhD admission 2021, talking about this. The institute offers a PhD program with a minimum course duration of 3 years and a maximum of 6 years. PhD is offered under the Symbiosis Center for Research and Innovation, which is the SCRI. Now I will talk about the selection and eligibility criteria for PhD admissions. Selection criteria: firstly, candidates will be shortlisted completely based on the PET scores, that is the PET scores, and the performance in PI. Courses is PhD in Statistics. Eligibility criteria is qualifying examination is PET. Master's degree is required in the relevant discipline with an aggregate of 55% marks or 50% marks for scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category candidates. Next, talking about the SSI Pune application process 2021. The application fee for MSc program is Rs 750. Candidates can register online through the official website of the institute. Now, the course-wise SSI Pune application process is given. So I will talk about this. For MSc admission, you have to visit the official website of the institute, which is the www.ssi.edu.in. Click on the Admission Open for MSc button. Register yourself by clicking on the register button. After that, select a course you want to apply for. Next, you have to enter your personal and qualification details. Next, you have to upload a passport size photograph and click on the submit button. Next, enter a security question and password which you can use for further login. Next, you have to pay an application fee of Rs 750 online via debit card or credit card or net banking or UPI or QR or wallets or offline via DD, that is demand draft. Note, for online payment, candidates need to send a DD at the address that I'm saying here. That is for the offline payment, that is the Symbiosis Statistical Institute SSI, Senapati Bapat Road, Pune 411004. For PhD admissions. For PhD admissions, you have to visit the official website of the institute, which is the www.ssi.edu.in. Click on the admission and select PhD. Fill PET application form and by entering the required details that are asked. Next, submit the application form along with the required documents. Next, pay the application fee online via debit card or credit card or net banking. Documents required at the time of admissions are Class 10, Class 12 mark sheets, and certificates of graduation, that is graduation mark sheet. Post-graduation mark sheet is required for PhD admission. Not only this, character certificate, transfer certificate, migration certificate, caste certificate, if you have any, will also be required. PET scorecard for PhD admission will also be required. GAP certificate, if you have any, will also be required. Next, talking about the SSI Pune course fee for 2021. For Indian students, the total fee of MSc program is Rs 2.20 lakh, whereas for international students, the course fee is Rs 3.75 lakh. The detailed fee breakup is also mentioned. Academic fee for Indian students in rupees is 2,10,000. Fees for international students in rupees is 3,15,000. Institute deposit fee for Indian students is rupees 10,000 and fee for international students deposit is also rupees 10,000. Administrative fee for Indian students in rupees is not chargeable. Fees for international students is chargeable, that is rupees 40,000. So the total fees for Indian students is amounting to rupees 2,20,000 and the fees for international students in rupees is rupees 3,75,000. The total fee for PhD program is rupees 70,000 and the breakup is also given, which I'm going to say right now. The registration fee is 10,000, coursework fee is 20,000, semester fee 30,000, institute deposit is 10,000, total fees amounting to 70,000. Please note, fee for international students would be USD equivalent to rupees as I have already mentioned. SSI Pune seat reservation 2021. In each program, some of the seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and PWD category candidates. Category-wise seat reservation is, which I'm going to discuss right now. Scheduled caste seat reservation is 15%. Scheduled tribe seat reservation in percentage is 7.5. PWD seat reservation is 3%. For international students, seat reservation is 15%, which is 1.5. So I have given you the entire details of Symbiosis Statistical Institute, the course fee, the process, the eligibility, the reservations, everything. So if you're interested in such a course and you want to see yourself in such an institute, having a bright career, I wish you all the very best for your career ahead and I hope you will get whatever you are wishing for. So wishing you all the best and thank you so much for patiently hearing my video out. I really hope you will get some video benefit out of watching this video. So concluding my video here, thank you so much. Stay happy, stay fine, and thank you.